Hello kids, today we learn alphabet with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's get start. And this is our color. Brown color, sky blue color, black color, red color, orange color, purple color, sea green color, pink color, green color, blue color. Let's go. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. A for fish. Z for God. Is for hand. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nut. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for red. S for snake. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for vegetable. W for was. X for xylophone. Y for YOLO. Z for zoo. Let's say again. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.